I laugh at the dumbest things. I laugh at the years and years ago. I saw a comic in some horrible club bombing with a guitar, and he sang "Sitting on a cock 'cause I'm gay," and that's still.
Yeah, but
I'm in the shower sitting, and I can't.
But you're
not
laughing
laugh.
ironically.
It's the funniest thing I ever heard in my life.
You're laughing ironically.
No,
What he's saying is because he's gay, he has to sit on some cock.
And it happens to fit beautifully over the template of
Well, it's like
sitting on the dock by the bay.
thing Otis Redding thought he was setting up.
Yeah, exactly.
It's the last thing he thought.
He
was. I'm going to help some guy
do
the lame gay joke.
Yeah.
By writing this song.
Anderson Cooper's going to beat our ass.
He checked with his wife. Honey, is there anything they could change this in a... No, no one could ever spoof that. Sitting on the dock of the bay. There's no way. Exactly.
It's going to touch people. They're going to be moved.
Yeah.
And it will never be used for anything else.
Is he sitting on the cock? Is he just sort of sitting on the cock?
Yeah, because he's gay.
Or is
He's really sitting on the balls.
He's sitting on the balls, but the cock is up, right up.
But if you said sitting on some balls because the cock attached to them is inside of me because I'm gay, does not Otis Redding didn't
Otis
help
would be laughing, going, they can't make it scan. They haven't got it. Let's walk away. And they go, no, I've got it, Otis.
Sitting on a cock because I'm gay. And then he stops. Doesn't need the rest of the
Where's
song.
he going? There's no place to go. He's there.
I love bits where...
Does he do the whistle?
I love the...
Does he do the whistle? Oh, God! He does, and it's even higher pitched. Does he do the whistle?
That's...
Oh, man!
Oh, that's a good one.
Fuck me.
See?